Let's walk through the installation of MASTERCAM for SOLIDWORKS 2019, and this process doesn't vary much between versions. The first step is to get the software installation files. I usually download them from mastercam.com, but you may have also gotten a thumb drive mailed to you with your SIM, or our support team may have sent you a direct link. But this is a procedure you can do totally on your own. On mastercam.com, go to Support and Downloads. Now, if you haven't already, you'll need to log in. If you don't have a linked account on MasterCam's website, we have a separate video for linking your account for full access, and there are some instructions here as well. Mine's already done, so I'll go ahead and log in and get started. I'll click MasterCam for SOLIDWORKS, and you can choose which version you want to install, but it defaults to the latest available version. I'll read the various items listed here because you'll want to make sure to find the full installation web download. If you aren't sure which to install, click Info to read more. This is the one I want. You can see this will install MasterCam for SOLIDWORKS, and it'll show you the maintenance expiration date that is required for you to run this version. Let's download this file. It's about 1.4 gigabytes, and then we'll run it. Select your language, and I'll usually configure this with my name and company name. This is just a local install, so I'll keep the default paths. I'll accept the license agreement, and we'll let her rip. Depending on when you install, you may see some patches have been released. I recommend installing any patches as they're released, and the info link will let you know which order to install them in if you have to follow a specific order. To make sure it's working, I'll run SOLIDWORKS after the installation is done and go to Tools, Add-ins, and enable MasterCam for SOLIDWORKS. The checkbox on the left turns it on for right now. The checkbox on the right tells it to start up by default every time I run SOLIDWORKS. Now, as long as the licensing is taken care of, I'm good to go, and it fires up. If you need to configure your licensing, take a look at our licensing video for more details, and if you run into any problems, please send us an email with screenshots and install logs to mastercamsupport@mlc-cad.com.